70% of the UK's water is naturally hard and contains dissolved calcium and other minerals which wreak havoc with boilers, pipework and water systems. As water is heated, these minerals revert back to their solid state and become calcium carbonate, otherwise known as limescale. This accumulates over time, silting up boilers, narrowing and blocking pipes, slowing water flow or stopping it altogether. The results are higher fuel costs, reduced efficiency and a fertile breeding ground for bacteria. But where does hard water originate and how does it lead to limescale?
Every day, trillions of gallons of water escape from the surface of the oceans as water vapour. Now what goes up has to come down, so roughly speaking, about a week later, these water vapour molecules descend as rain. It actually takes thousands and thousands of water vapour molecules to make up just one single raindrop. So there we have our clouds. The rain coming down from our clouds. As it comes down, it picks up CO2 from all the dreadful pollution we have in the atmosphere. Ditto, when it hits the ground, picks up more CO2 from things like rotting vegetation. So now we have a slightly acidic quality to our water, hence the name acid rain. When you've got areas with lots of chalk, lots of limestone, what it does is dissolves that, so this is now incorporated into our water. Now, water companies, of course, they get rid of all the yucky stuff in the water. They use things like chlorine. What they don't get rid of, though, is the limestone, is the chalk. This is not filtered out at all. And so there it remains and literally wreaks havoc, causes damage to our water systems.
When heated, water releases the carbon dioxide, reverting dissolved calcium back to its carbonate state by precipitating hard, ionically charged crystals, which are immediately attracted to the closest surface exhibiting an opposite ionic charge. In this way, the crystals form together to produce scale deposits. In moderately hard water areas, it can take just 2 years for 6 millimeters of limescale to accumulate on pipework or heat exchangers, reducing heat transfer efficiency by a staggering 40%. Billions of pounds are wasted every year through limescale being allowed to build up. Not only does this lower efficiency, but it increases running costs, meaning higher energy bills and a much shorter lifespan of capital equipment.